Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. And in today's video, I'm going to be answering a question that one of you put in the comment section about difficulty you're facing finding the Good Lock application. I'm going to be going through a few ways you can find the Good Lock application, and then if you don't find it through any of these, then I'm sorry, but I'm sure these are going to be a way you can find it. Number one, we go into the Play Store and we search Good Lock. Okay, then we search. If you don't find it here, no problem. Get out of here and go to the Galaxy Store. Type in here, in the search here, you should be able to type in Good Lock and you should find it. If you don't find it, no problem. Let's go to the next one. You can come into the Play Store again and search Find Lock. So Find Lock. All right. You're looking for Find Lock only for Galaxy, this very application. If you find it, you're able to tap on it, go into it, and then download the Good Lock from there. But if in your region it's also not available, just like you see it here, follow me. Now what you're going to do is you're going to come into your browser and search Find Lock. Okay, and then you can see here it's showing here. If you select this, you have it here, but you see the same thing. So you can come inside this very location and you can find the Find Lock here. So you're going to scroll down, and while in here you should find the Good Lock right here. You can tap on that Good Lock and you're able to now download the Good Lock by coming down and selecting the one that is applicable to you. If you have the Android version, that one, you can always select that very one by clicking on this, and that's going to give you these applications, and you select one, and shortly after you're going to come down here and select this Download APK. You're going to give it a bit and it's going to start downloading. So hit download, wait for a minute or two, and when you open the file, it's going to want to install. So that is actually how to get the Good Lock application on any device. All right. Thank you all for watching. If you love this video, kindly drop a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more. And let's like this video. Let's give it about 100 likes. Thank you all very much. Peace out.